On page 10, Parade of the Sandpipers. On the top of the page 10, there's a rhythm chart. Let's try to play through the rhythm. I'm gonna choose middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second part, 3/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For this Parade of the Sandpipers, I'm using speed 96. One, two, three, 4. Scooch over. One time with a slower speed. 63. 1, 2, 3, 4.